Alright, keyboard enthusiasts, gather round. Let's talk about the Ducky 1.3 Mini Daybreak. And let me tell you, this little 60% keyboard packs a serious punch. First off, the Daybreak colorway? Stunning. But it's not just a pretty face. Ducky's quack mechanics philosophy is all about quality, and it really shows. This thing is built like a tank. We're talking a rock-solid, low-profile case that feels incredibly premium. And the keycaps? Double-shot PBT. So they're super durable and won't shine up on you after a few months of heavy use. Plus, the legends are crisp and clear. But the real magic is under the hood. Ducky has blessed us with a dual-layer hot swap PCB. That means you can easily swap out switches without any soldering. And they've used Kayla's yellow hot swap sockets, which are known for their reliability. So, if you're a Switch enthusiast, this is a dream come true. Experiment away. Find your perfect typing feel. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. This particular model I'm rocking has Cherry MX Browns, which are a classic for a reason. That tactile bump is just so satisfying. But thanks to the dual-layer silicone and EVA foam dampeners, the sound is incredibly clean and thocky. No annoying metallic pings or rattles here. Just pure, unadulterated typing bliss. And the little details? Ducky nailed them. The detachable braided USB-C cable is a huge plus for portability and cable management. The 3-level adjustable feet let you find the perfect typing angle. And of course, you get in-key rollover, so you can mash all the keys you want without any ghosting. So, who is this keyboard for? Well, if you're looking for a premium 60% keyboard with top-notch build quality, a fantastic typing experience, and the flexibility of hot swap sockets, the Ducky 1.3 Mini Daybreak is definitely worth checking out. It's a bit of an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. This keyboard is a joy to use, and it's quickly become one of my absolute favorites. Seriously, the combination of the aesthetics, the feel, and the sound, it's just chef's kiss. Let me know in the comments what you think.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.